G'day, Brent Aiken here. You might remember me from being Brent Aiken. I'm Brent Aiken.
I am Brent Aiken.
I'm Brent Aiken, the Environmental Impacts Manager for the Taupo District Council. Last year we asked your thoughts on wheelie bins and what the service might look like. After hearing from heaps of you, 75% of you were keen on wheelie bins. So we went away and did some more mahi, worked on a few deets, crunched the numbers, and now it's long-term plan time. And we're back to ask you about the options for our curbside collection. Our preferred option is wheelie bins, and it looks a little something like this. A 140 litre rubbish bin, a 240 litre recycling bin, 23 litre food waste bin, and up to 2 45 litre glass crates. This service would switch weekly between rubbish and recycling, with food scraps collected weekly. While there are heaps of advantages to wheelie bins, nothing's perfect. Same goes if we were to stick with the current pay-as-you-throw rubbish system. It's really important that we hear from you. What is the future of our curbside collection? Bag it, bin it, bag it, bin it, woo! You can check out all the advantages and disadvantages at taupo.govt.nz/bag it or bin it.